Yeah, guys, welcome back to another lesson of today. Okay, I believe many of you are familiar with that intro I just played. Okay, Despacito. Okay, I know many of you are familiar with the song. So in today's video, I'm going to make a breakdown, very simple and clear to you guys. Okay, very simple and clear for many of you that wish to learn the intro. Okay, so if you know that this is the first time you're coming across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? And if you like the video, do well to smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, do well to hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. If you want a one-on-one class with me, do well to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. All right, guys. And before I proceed, I just want to shout out a happy Xmas. Okay, happy Xmas to all of you, all of my fans all over the world. Happy Xmas to you all. Nice doing business with you this year. Nice seeing you guys. Nice commenting. Nice doing everything. But I'm still gonna shout out I'm still gonna give out a shout out to you before the year goes out. Okay, so for today, let's learn this intro. All right, so we'll be doing the key of D. This is the key of D. Okay, so that's the key of D. So we're going to play in this shape. So the first thing I have to learn is something like that. So I play from the do, mi, la. Okay, do, mi, la. So I hold this three note. Do, ti, la, si, la. Okay. You're just gonna be a bit fast, okay? Okay, you're just gonna be a bit fast so you can bring out the harmony in that phrase there. Okay, so the next one is okay. The next one is so I start again. This is another root in the key of D, okay? Mi, do, mi, do. Okay. Now I play. Okay, starting from the minor third. Okay. Just kind of your 1/3, like a kind of a 1/3. Okay, minor third with the roots with the do from to the re to the with the T on the first string. Okay, to the do and the la. Okay, do and the la. Okay. Okay. So the next one is so the first one is a do, do, ti, la, so, va. Do, do, ti, la, so, va. Do, do, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, do, do, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, the third one is do, do, ti, la, do, do, ti, la, ti, do, re. Okay, then I play again. Okay, That's the breakdown for that intro. So wherever you don't understand, do it to chat me up in the comment section. I'm gonna give you the reply as soon as. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.